Today I'll show you two tools that every Excel beginner should master: find and replace and spell check. Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Welcome back to First Steps in Excel. In the last lesson, we built a personal savings tracker, both manually and with AI. And you saw how easy Excel and Copilot can work together to save time and give you full control. Today, we're switching gears and looking at two powerful tools that can instantly clean up your data: find and replace and spell check. Together, they help fix your typos, update your values, and tidy your entire spreadsheet in seconds. Simple, powerful, and two of Excel's biggest time savers. Find and replace is Excel's smart search tool. It helps you scan your entire sheet and jump straight to any value you're looking for. And when you need to update data, whether it's name, date, month, or even a spelling mistake, Replace can update every match within seconds. Okay, let's start with the Find tool. So we're going to use the keyboard and we're going to press Ctrl and F. Then you'll get a box that appears. And in here, you're going to type what you want to search for. And then once you've done that, you're going to click Find Next. And as you'll see now, Excel highlights each matching value so you can move through your sheet quickly and easily. Now, let's look at Replace. This is the quickest way to update multiple cells at once. Here's how to use it. So we're going to use the keyboard again, and you're going to press Ctrl plus H. This will open up the Replace window. Then we're going to fill in some boxes. So where it says Find What, we're going to put in, say, January. And then we're going to, in the Replace box, we're going to replace it with February. If you just click Replace, this changes one matching cell only. If you actually want to change all the cells at once, if you click on Replace All, as you see on the screen now, this updates every match in the sheet instantly. Replace All is powerful, but use it carefully. If you search word appears somewhere you didn't intend it to, that will change too. Let's also look at the advanced options. These give you much more control over what Excel finds and replaces. So there's four we're going to discuss. So the first one is Match Case. This only finds text with the exact same capitalization. Next is Match Entire Cell Contents. This finds cells that match your search exactly, nothing more. That's it. Third one, Search Inside Formulas. This is great when you need to update references or formula text. And then finally, Search by rows or by columns, useful depending on how your data is laid out. So these settings help you avoid mistakes and make your updates far more accurate. Let's finish with a real-life example using Excel's built-in spell check. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up spelling errors across your sheet. So we're going to cover two steps. So the first step is Open Spell Check. So we're going to go to the Review tab, going to click on Spelling, and as you see now, we can flick through our mistakes and change them instantly. There is a quicker way. So in step 2, if you just press F7 on your keyboard, you'll get the same box that appears. And then once again, you can go through your mistakes and correct them super quickly. Excel will basically scan your sheet. It highlights each mistake, and it'll give you an option to basically ignore it, add to dictionary, or change the spelling. And just like that, your worksheet is cleaned up, fast, accurate, and with zero manual searching. So now you know how both Find and Replace and Spell Check can tidy up your spreadsheet in seconds, from updating repeated values and changing months to catching spelling mistakes across your whole sheet. And by the way, guys, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss what's next. Okay guys, now it's your turn. Let's practice what you've learnt. So type a few repeated words or months into different cells like January, January, February, February, etc. And then use on the keyboard Ctrl plus F to jump through each match. Then use replace, i.e. Ctrl plus H, to change one of those values. Maybe try replace in January with March. Add a few misspelled words like receipt or maybe January. And then finally, fix them using the spelling function or the F7 shortcut. And you'll instantly see how much faster it is to clean your spreadsheet when you use find, replace and spell check the right way. Okay everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.